In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if Nordvpn is running in the background. VPNs, like Nordvpn, play an essential role in keeping our internet activities private and secure, so knowing if your VPN is actively connected is crucial. Let's dive into some straightforward methods to check if Nordvpn is up and running on your system. First, we'll explore how you can confirm this on a Windows PC using the system tray. The system tray is a handy area where you can see all the apps running in the background. You'll want to start by looking at the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock. There, you might notice an upward arrow icon. Give that arrow a click to reveal hidden icons that might not be immediately visible. You're looking for the NordVPN icon specifically. It should be there if NordVPN is running in the background. If the NordVPN icon appears blue or displays connected, then it's active and securely connected to a VPN server. However, if the icon looks grey, that indicates it's not connected to any VPN server. So a quick glance at this icon can be an immediate indicator of your VPN status. If the icon is there, rest assured that NordVPN is running in the background. This simple check ensures you're protected without any complicated steps. Our second method involves checking your IP address. By doing so, you can confirm whether your internet connection is passing through a VPN server. Start by opening a web browser and head to whatisimyaddress.com. This site detects your current IP address and provides the corresponding geographical location. Once on the site, if the location and IP address listed there don't match your real one, perhaps showing a different country or city, and this discrepancy indicates that NordVPN is active and masking your actual location, providing that layer of security and privacy. Conversely, if the IP address matches your real location and address, it means NordVPN isn't connected or isn't functioning correctly. This step gives an additional layer of verification by allowing you to see directly how your internet traffic might appear to outsiders. By easily following these methods, you can determine if NordVPN is protecting your online activities without having to dive into complex settings or menus. Whether using the system tray icon on Windows for a quick visual check, or verifying your IP address via a website, these techniques ensure you remain informed about your VPN's operational status. This kind of diligence is key in today's digital world where protecting your data and privacy is ever more important.